Okay guys, so in this video I'm going to show you how to import assets and make a design of your game. So for example, right now we already got the terrain ready, but to be honest, it's not so great. Okay, so we just got a trees and grass, but there is no enemy, so you can roam around in this world. You got a great design, at least right now. For beginners, it's a great design, but don't get disheartened because we got so much more to offer. Okay, and I'm going to gradually introduce new concepts. So in order to make a like a for example, boss fights, something like that, I'm going to introduce guys a game asset. So I already downloaded that. This is called the crab monster asset. If you can pick whatever asset you want in the store, and I also got another channel called the what is that? Okay, it doesn't really matter. Let me just close it. I also got another channel called Learn Digital Art, where I share my journey of learn digital art, and I also create a digital art assets, game assets. Well, I'm going to share with you how to do that in that channel. This channel, I'm just going to use it. So first, let's just download this insectoid crab monster. It's amazing asset. Once I import that, it's totally free. You can do that if you watch this video. At that time it might be free. Okay, so prefab and just click and drag this crab into your game, and double click, you can zoom in. You got a interesting looking crab monster, and this crab monster is also rigged, and we got all sort of animation, and we got the code. We were dealing with that later because you can actually use code to so for example, you can control that, and you got all sort of animation. I think I got the animation here. We got a different state. Here we get a tag, we get idle state, and I think in another series for video, I'm going to show you how to do that from scratch. Because if you're a beginner, this will be a little bit daunting. But right now, you already got a like the default animation. So for example, if you let me just I think this is the front end of this crab. Okay, great design, by the way. And of course, you can go back to game. You can play, and you can try to find this crab. I'm not going to just go to that to find it, because the control system is not it's not so versatile. We will deal with that later. It's just a quick demonstration at the previous video how to make a sort of a migration of your mobile game and PC game. Okay, but let's just go back to the scene. As you guys can see, this crab is actually moving around because it already got this idle animation, and looks as if it's resting, it's chilling, and breathing. I don't know whether crab breathes this way, but since it's a monster, you can do whatever you like. So you got this idle animation, and when the player say come to here, and they might just encounter this crab, and they might need to fight it. Okay, so by adding assets this way, you can make your game much more interesting. Okay, rather than just with nothing focused, nothing changed, just a simple environment that is not enough. Okay, so I think this crab looks great, And of course, you can have crazy ideas, and you can achieve that in Unity. So, for example, we can select this crab, and right now it's definitely too small. So what I'm going to do is to double click player, just yeah, just get this player's point of view, and what I'm going to do is to just make this crab crazy big. Okay, maybe 50. Okay, this will be a crazy big, and I'm going to just for dramatic effect, I'm going to change the camera. I think I got this camera here, so yeah, we can do that. This camera's I think this camera may be fixed on our guy here, so let's test this. Okay, so this is our game view. We got this player, and player can actually move. Okay, I'm going to make it maybe just like here, and maybe lift it a little bit. Sorry, I think I need to focus. I'm going to lift it up a little bit. Okay, and I think the camera is sort of fixed on our guy here. So I think I got a cinema machine. Okay, we got a cinema machine focused on our guy, and we got a virtual camera that lock on our target. So what about can I just rotate this a little bit? Maybe not this angle, but rather what about X? Okay, so we can actually just like looking at sky. Okay, and then let's test it out. Okay, so let me just paste it here. So we got a crazy looking monster crab looming above us. Okay, and let's see. I think it even got some animation of the crab monster, like his mouth is actually moving. Yeah, let me just change the places because right now it's so hard because we got a lot of trees here, and I'm going to change this crab monster like it rotated at the y-axis and maybe 180, so just like facing us. Is it facing us or not? Let's change it 0. I'm a little bit confused. Okay, so this interesting design. Okay, maybe that's the design that they want, because they don't want you to know. Maybe I'm going to put it here. Okay, so like the edges of the word, and we got this crazy looking monster looming here. We got our player, little player. Let's just for this testing purpose only, I'm going to put it here. Double click to zoom in. That's definitely too low. I'm going to raise it up at least to the surface. Still. Okay. Yeah, lift it up enough. Yeah, maybe let me make it like here. Okay, so let's test this. Okay, that's a really scary monster. Okay, so Okay, we got a huge monster. I like it because it's so big. So the breathing animation will be like huge movements. Okay, because you sort of zoom it to a really big size. Okay, so this is really good, especially if you got some attacking animation or some menacing animation. You can yeah, you can use that in a design for some crazy final boss fight, something like that. You can absolutely do that. Okay, so yeah, so the size can drastically change what the player feel about the game. Okay, so for example, the player is really small and the crazy looking monster is this big. Okay, and then you can yeah, you can really get these some really tension into the game. Okay, so yeah, and I think that will be all for this video, and I think in the next video I'm going to yeah, maybe add some story to our game, and yeah, and let's see where we're going. So yeah, basically I don't know what the final results of this game will be. Just I just want to introduce you guys new concepts along the way, and yeah. So yeah, I think that will be all for this video. Bye.